Hello everyone, I'm here today with the Wizling grinder, 110 volts. It's a very good looking unit. It does have some cosmetic wear. There is dust, grime, and stuff from being in a used state. But yeah, it's a great unit. As you got dust in there. It's in used condition. Pops back in there. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the button here. It's working. Every time I press the button, it is a working unit. Comes with a couple Allen wrenches. It is a working unit, like I said. It just has some cosmetic wear, some dings, some smudges, some dust for being used. So it's a functional unit. It'll need to be cleaned. But anyway, I appreciate you guys stopping by and looking at this item. And once again, this is the Wizling grinder 110 volt. Thank you.